Hello, and welcome to my stream. It's stream number 123 of my of my 152 consecutive day stream challenge. I'm looking a video on my phone, and it started way. Give me a sec. Of my. Okay. So what I could hear that everything is good. So it's nice. But yeah, when I start from my local computer from OBS Studio, it also records few seconds before of my video before I click start streaming. So how to guess when to stop talking about some nonsense and start looking at the camera and yeah, talking about the stream. Maybe it would be like hello, my dear friends. Today is 123. And click start streaming, then probably it will pick up all of those. Okay, so we are on my stream number 123, and I have about 30 streams left on the channel to complete my challenge. Also, those streams help me with multiple things, like even talking on camera. It's hard to believe, but I slightly improved my English because even I live in United States, normally in the family I speak different languages, and my English is really lack of day-to-day experience. Of course, on work I speak English, but I'm not representing company on very talkative positions like, I don't know, salesperson or some other, so I'm technical position, and I need to talk to other technicians and not too often. Sometimes I have days without speaking English at all, so yeah, it was also a good benefit. Also, yeah, the most important things, because I position myself as some kind of sometimes procrastinator. It's not like I couldn't do. It's not meaning that I forget to switch off my working status. So I just don't want to be disturbed by someone who thinks that I should answer the question just because I'm looking as online in my working chat. So of course it's not my working time. So, and most important things, of course, is confidence, self-confidence, because when you positions yourself as a slight procrastinator or just kind of not very organized man, I don't mean that I couldn't do anything, but I do less than I want. So if I start building plans on my what I should do through the day, I do like invest maybe 50% of this. Not like zero, but not 100% or over, do even more than planned. So not like that. I too optimistic for myself. So, and having something you do every day for multiple months. So today is more than 4 months of everyday streaming is, of course, adding self-confidence that, okay, you can do that. It's like similar to very strict diet I had in past. And it's even if it was 7-day diet, it was too strict, and once I did it, I feel self-confident in myself, and now it's, even if I'm not on diet, I think, okay, I feel confident that I can do that in case I need. And in many cases, it even allow me to not to keep too much weight, or and so on and so on. So all have its own benefits. Okay, looks like I slightly increased some sound on my phone. Okay, what about our plan for today's stream? Today we are going to maybe touch something, I don't know, some daily reflections, answers, and so on. I don't receive any questions so far. So, and for daily reflections, I think benefits from implementing challenges for yourself, even like the one I described today, like doing everyday stream, for example. It's pretty good, and yeah, it could help. My wife is psychologist, and she said that doing something for 150 days could change a lot, because a man could do something for 1 day, for 2 days, for a week, but when doing something for more than like 150 days, so mostly 5 months total every day, it could do a real impact, and it could help you build something in your mind that, so of course it could change something, because if you're doing something every day for 150 days, you will do something, you know. Even if you, I don't know, even if you write small letters, very small letter, like this one, like note every, yeah, it's nice color, by the way. Color of my streams. So if you write that small paper with some thoughts, after 150 days you have 150 thoughts, and it's a lot, and so on and so on. Okay, so it's a good tradition, and it's nice to have more than one of those traditions. And yeah, costumbre, yeah, in Espanol. Yeah, I think that's it. The more traditions we have, the better. But traditions, I like that word, because it's something which is like family tradition or something. It's not something you should follow 100 strict, but it's nice to have, and you feel nice when you follow in tradition. You feel cozy, and it's like what provide you some power, yes, some strengths, your traditions. So build your traditions, and it's not as easy as doing something for even for 1 month, but half a year, mostly half a year, do the trick. You have new tradition, and you decide if you want to keep it or not. It's, by the way, also waiting for me to decide if I want to keep that stream series going on or not. But I'm pretty confident I want several channels with different videos types on each channel, which I will not spend so much just streaming, but couldn't do the video, and it could be quite effective. Okay, what we will do today technically, today we are still looking into Adobe Premiere Pro project and types, and which we receive from ChatGPT responses, and we used structure output to receive JSON format, and then we'll try to build Adobe Premiere Pro project. So what we had in previous stream, let me see my full screen. Yeah, we able from some long video create short, you see, it has all the video on the proper track. Yes. So I mean, videos on the one track basically, and they cut it properly from the original video. So if you, I don't know, source, how to see its edit original. Interesting. If I'll open our input video, it's adding also our hello source video. No. I don't want to replace. I just want to open source clip. Okay, now it's working. And if I am here, yes, you see, it's shown that source, silence, reflection, and other input video 2. Yeah, it's called input video 2 and input video 1. So, but looks like it's the same video. Yes, it just and we have only one video in the stream, and we are fine of exporting it. So, hello. Yeah, my computer's still waking up. Oh, we need to enable video. No. Hello, what we exporting? We exporting silence through reflection. Okay, it looks good. So we have 33 seconds of the video. We will work on on quality of the shorts, because right now I don't like how it's combined the video into the short from from those video. But what we see that it's do everything properly, except it put audio on 3 different tracks. So maybe we could investigate what is going on. We just need to save it in Final Cut, and we what 3 audio. Yeah, looks like that. And with that we can compare our project with audio. We need Control Alt F, no? Control Alt F. Format document. Shift Alt F. Shift Alt F. Okay, now it's working. So it's the format we have created ourselves, and we have sequence, we have video format, we have audio format, number of channels too. Looks good. And then okay, we have tracks for video and we have tracks for audio. And tracks for video, clip item ID, name. Okay, it explains why we have input video name, and then we have that file link, and in input video 1 we have also link to file 1, and here we have also link to file 1. And for audio, let's look. We have number of channels 2 and output group 1 and group 2. Group 1, index 1, number of channels 1, channel 1, number of channel 1, channel 2, index 2. And track, we have some audio track, and it's come from file 1, it's fine. Source track audio, track index 1, and we connect it to video from the clip index, and we have test video, source track audio link, and we have another track. So it's what we've generated, track index, clip index. And that is what we received from 3Audio selling from Adobe Premiere Pro. So it's add more information, of course. Let's look at here. So video format we could probably, and we have tracks 1, clip item 1, okay, file, and it has more to file, sample characteristics, audio, and audio channel, audio channel count 1, layout stereo, audio channel source channel 1, channel label left, and audio stereo, source channel 2, channel label right. It's what we are missing in our case, correct? Let's review what we have in our case. We have, I'm sorry, first video 0, and file 1, audio, and it just say channel count 2. Slightly different. Okay, login info, labels. Second clip, we just mentioned that file. So everything looks similar except definition of audio in our file. And for audio, we see number output channels too. Let's compare to audio part. Where is my audio? Okay. It's our audio. So audio, video, track, audio, number channels 2. Okay, it's fine. Output group 1, group 2. So index 1, channel 1, index 2, channel 2. It's the same group here. Logical. And let's see video 1.1. Let's see how it's put in the tracks. So of course it uses also things like master clip ID. What else? Name, okay, enabled, okay. File 1, source track audio tracking index 1, it's okay. Filter audio levels, okay. We don't do any filters, enabled lock at false. Another track, audio 1, track, and track is so looks exactly same. And track, another track, and we put file here. So does it mean we shouldn't create new track? We just need to put clip items here. Let's put like that. And we even could stop. Okay. we could delete tracks, audio tracks, all empty tracks. Let's do that. So, and let's try to export that and see how it will look like. And it would be 3 audio fix and 3 audio fix. Let's look, let's close video, and for audio track clip item file 2 audio 1. Okay, so clips all goes into the one track, which is logical. So let's go to our code, our experiments with code, and see how we could change that. It looks like simple. Maybe ChatGPT wouldn't be able to help us with that because it's not already as simple. But yeah, so audio track, let's just move it out. Let's just X and put it here. Not here, of course, but here. In Python, ident is everything. Learn it, I want to say learn it hard way, but learn it, and sometimes I have few issues which I couldn't identify very quickly because of it. So we create clip item, and we just add all of those track index 1. Okay. So, and where we are once again. So let's generate project with audio. It means that we already, so not in context, because yeah, looks like our session is ended. So let's restart everything. We doing sending request to OpenAI right now. We sending request to OpenAI to create us some short ideas based on our video, which is located here. In basically, it's not video located here, it's transcript. So that video located here, transcript we have created slightly before. Use our main tool. We send that request and receive response, and that is what we received. Reflection from observation desk. Let's see a scrollable element. And here we see 2 interesting that it's in original time codes. Now it's return a list of time codes, you see, which is more precise. So from 08 to 12, from 12 to 19, from 19 to 23, and 45 to 56. So it's not the whole chunk, but it's some time codes. But you see here, it just created from 258, from 58 to so basically without any, just several videos, but without the division. And we need to rewrite our script. And here we have finding peace in Glacier Bay, also 2 videos. And original timecode just blend in. Okay, what else? Here we preserved our original version of transcript, and here we have more updated code which preserved version of a project with audio, and we saved that. So if you go here, let's remove everything, and now if we will import our right now generated file, project with fix, no, project with audio. It should put, it's create our sequence. Interesting. Is it? Yeah, it's 1 frame difference. Maybe it's because I did it before. Looks like it's video, second video. Okay, let's just compare. Looks like they just blend in one clip to another. Maybe we could say that as so that's cell number 5. Do we have an ability to like hide it? For example, for that we can clear. Yeah, maybe I'm mixing it with I want to, you know, I want to I just want to, you know, like collapse that cell. And I sure that I saw that possibility previously when I worked with some that, but again, with some other program. Maybe it's still connected with some extensions. It's pretty Jupyter notebook. Jupyter notebook. And what is that? An easy to use extension for what? For previewing with VS Code. That is one is okay, Jupyter notebook, my Jupyter notebook previewer. Jupyter notebook supports interactive programming, so that is something we have installed. Jupyter Keymap extensions pack. Jupyter notebook renderers. Render for Jupyter notebook. Jupyter slideshow. Supports for Visual Studio. Cell text. No, I don't think I don't see anything like. So in installed we have that. Let's see what is cell text support plus text. Okay, it's text. Keymap. Okay. renderers. It means we could support some diagrams here in Jupyter slide. Jupyter slide show is slide. Okay. Jupyter labs. Oh, folder collapse. Jupyter notebook. Most popular Jupyter notebook. We have this. Let's see what is polyglot notebooks. Polyglot is nice because we could execute C# in them, and also it supports visualization of mermaid diagrams. It's markdown format. Yeah, nice, but nice. Maybe we need to review that sometimes. NPB previewer installs extension. Okay. Data handler. Jupyter Power Toys. Looks promising, but it's not what I'm looking to. And Jupyter Hub. Not the same thing. Nice feature, table of content for Jupyter notebooks. Jupyter for notebooks. Okay. Yeah, maybe I'm mixing something. Okay. Anyway, let's return to our notebook. Python, and we have Jupyter. Jupyter, continue on code space, clear to create interactive window, debugged cell, export, focus, import notebook to script, manage access, restart kernel, select interpreter, show output, show table of content on line view. Yeah, we could show the table of content, but for some reason outline. Yeah, we have that outline. Customized notebook layout. Controls where to focus indicator is rendered. Border. Right. Let's change it to left. Cell toolbar visibility. Click. The cell toolbar should appear on hover and focus. Click compact view. Okay. Okay. Enable preview. Okay. Overview ruler. Drag and drop. Out. No outline. Okay. We could reopen that. Still haven't produced outline. Maybe I just forget to. Maybe I just forgot to install something. The breadcrumbs. Oh, looks like we can disconnect that. Okay. Okay, anyway. So now we have it's in on one line, but the thing is that let's do some cleanup. Let's remove those at all. And let's take this. Let's insert some of the video here. So we just import that file properly and test how we should import it. So we have imported test. Okay. Let's insert it from some space to some space here. Okay, and in that file we don't have that L. You see that small L here? It means that it's just left channel, and here we have like full context. And what is difference between here and here? So it's just audio, video, but that is like full. It's connected. So let's export that as XML template. Good, good. Okay. We could remove all the project too. EDL XML1. Okay, let's look at good one. So project with audio, it's what we have, what we could generate right now. In video, and good one. So video format, rate, codec is probably not as important, and sample characteristic include rate, codec, and all the other properties. We generate rate, some other properties, time base, and all of those things. Okay, maybe we need to change rate to match that definition. Maybe. Okay. Let's go and quickly do that. Rate and rate. Oh, we have NTSC as under the characteristic, but not under the rate, and rate time base. Let's go here, and we should generate it somewhere at the top. Here is our top. Rate. Really? Yeah, we generate everything properly. Root, name, duration, sequence. Oh. Sequence. Okay, we have that. And in good, we also have format. Video form. Okay. Oh, I see. Video format element. Sample characteristic. Format sample characteristic. I see. And here we so let's say it rate correct. Yeah, we'll do like that. Again, it's minor change, but let's see. Yeah, we could do that. So yeah, we'll create that as sign. Okay. What's next? Let's look at good. We have track 1. Okay. And we don't have any more tracks logically, yes. We have master clip 13, 3, input video, master clip, clip item. Let's see if we have that master clip. Script, start time, duration, clip item. Oh, okay, let's call it that. Et sub element clip. Then we add master clip ID. Name. So let's call it just. Oh, really? My battery is low. I need to see what's going on here. Master clip. So let's add that master clip as well. Okay, looks like it just slightly unplugged my charger for my notebook. 46 minutes of the stream. Okay, we fixed one issue, but let's see how we could fix others. Okay, and input video 0, name, enable duration, and file, which is located at somewhere, time base, etc. Media, audio channels, channel count 1 and left, and audio 2. Okay. And let's look at the last clip item. It's this one. So clip item. That is master clip number 4, and everyone else is number 3. Let's quickly look what is audio clip. Track. Audio 3, and we have the last audio 4. Probably we could say Premiere channel type stereo, mono. Oh. Okay, let's just go here. While we remember that, go to our audio, num output channels 2, and when we create clip group, clip item, name, audio clip, does it support us do that like that, equals text, attribute, it's provide us element, full name, element3 sub element. It has only text, and it has attribute as property, he said. Okay, let's go here and say to check. Let's add to do. Okay, and let's return to our video, which why it's so different from what we are doing. So track clip item. It's the last clip item. Master clip we added. Enable duration. Okay. File. Number file. And what we've added, file 4. Test pass URL. Let's go here. Let's add to do make of such format. What else? Rate, duration, rate. Okay, duration. To do fix duration. Then it will be media video time code. Starting display format. Do we have any time code here at all? No. No, maybe it's a place where we could ask ChatGPT generate adding section to it's to media, correct? No, it's to file rate, file element. To file element. Let's see, will it understand what we're asking it? Okay. Add time code section. File element. Okay. Let's edit, I understand that it's fixed duration, and before adding video, so then it's go media video, audio, 16 2 channels. Let's see, video, audio, 16 2 channels. Okay, file. Now it's create a link, tracking index 1, tracking index 1, tracking index 2, video, audio, clip index 3, group index 1. No, slightly all complex, but probably to do reserve the link, the reference, and add links like let's just write ourselves a comment section so we could not uncomment. Let's move it here and then comment. Okay. So what's next? Audio. Video, audio. And next is audio. Num channels 2. Let's look audio, num channels 2. Format, okay. Group 1, 2. Index, num channels, channel index. Index num channel 1, index. Let's see, index num channel 1, index num channel. Okay, looks good. And we have track. And let's switch to the last audio which we added. So that is the last audio file. So clip item, master clip. Let's copy our master clip from here. It should be the same, most probably correct for everything. And let's go to audio clip item. Okay. Audio clip, master clip. Okay. Oh. Now. Track. Premiere project type stereo. Okay. Clip item. Clip item. Okay, and it's set. And track level, it should be set as well, correct? Let's go to the track level. And let's set as audio track. Okay. What else? Master rates, file ID, file 1. Okay. In out. Source track. Media type audio track. Tracking index. Let's see if we have source track. track index. Let's say it's 1. Okay. Link. Clip item something video track index 1. Clip index 3. It's a lot of video and audio. Video and audio. Clip 15 for video. It's probably let's see what is clip 15. Clip item 15 is our file which we added. Okay. So okay, link name index, and name is, where is our name? Okay, name is somewhere at the beginning, input video, and we start from index 0. So looks like that a link is good. Video, track index, clip index. But clip index should be index. Yes? Yes. So that would be string index. Okay. Oh, and what else we should add? Clip item 18. Audio. Audio 1. Oh. Clip item 18. And we are 19. Track index 2. Clip index 1. Group index 1. Output channel index 2. It would be on track. Let's go here and add that audio track it sub element audio track, and we call it and text equals, and we call it output channel index, and it would be 2. Let's try to execute it. Let's go to our stream and let's try to import that file once again to see how nice it's working. It project with audio. So our audio file, and if we just try to see audio channels in that case, so everything is good. We have 2 channels. So let's just see if it's actually has two channels. It's some new panel. Clip volume. It's fine. We don't need that. Let's see balance. Oh, really? Loudness, repair, clarity, create reverb, amount, clip volume, mute, mix amount, enhance speech. Audio effect balance. So we still shown as stereo, but we have lack of one channel. But it could be it could be video itself. Let's really quickly import the original video and look and it. No, original video balance is fine. Let's see, and it's even also is fine. Okay, you see video is also is fine, so it's only on that track like we shown it's like nice, but we okay, what we'll do, we export that to Final Cut Pro, test shorts too. Okay, save. Let's look here. And it's left, right, probably on the left channel. Let's go here. I'm creating a project, Adobe Premiere project. Here is exported version from Adobe. Could you suggest why audio track is actually in your channel in while input file is stereo? Let's see how the ChatGPT could help us. Channel count in the audio section of the file element is incorrectly set to 1, which specifies monochannel instead of stereo. Even so, the layout is marked as stereo. Channel count settings override that and results audio being treated as single channel. So audio channel, because of in audio section channel count. So let's look channel count. So it's file, media, video, audio, and audio channels. Channel left. Audio. Let's look at the how it look like in good. Oh, no. No. Channel count. We have 6 instances. Audio, channel count 1, left, 1, 2, right, layout stereo, and it's about test MP4 in out track and in here file 3 and file 4. File 4 is basically what we've imported mass. Okay, it should show like audio, channel count 2. Let's fix test. We import our file here, audio, channel count 2. And let's see test shorts. It's basically audio and it's divided channels to 2 in audio format. Not sure that is the issue. Let's see what other things. Step to resolve channel to 2. Okay. Ensure that each audio channel element corresponds to corresponding source channel and channel label. So let's look at that thing which is good. So we have channel count only 3 times when we define first file, clip must test, like we define that file here, file 4. And here we define audio like this. And first time we define it as file 3. We haven't specified channels before, so it's added by itself. Channel 1 layout stereo left and channel 1 layout stereo right. It's done before that automatically. So not so good. Interesting. What if we will import that good? We have our sync and let's import good. What it will do? Okay, so looks like we have both channels here. Looks good. And both and input video. If you had somewhere. So not problem with audio file definition. Not problem with audio file definition. It's more on the channel track. Let's say it's not a problem with file definition. Can you look in more closely on audio tracks definitions. Track definition. Each track specify output channel index. The link the track to a single output channel, effectively treating it as mono. For stereo output channel index should reference two distinct channels for left and right output. Let's do that. Let's check it. We should be good soon. So good. We have several things. So when we have left in track, we have output channel index 2, but here in the track which is good, I believe those tracks are track. Let's see if it's a problem. We could just go and drop those tracks, correct? Let's go here and just import media. Good. I don't think it's the issue. I don't think that it's the issue with output channel index. So here it's 1, here it's 2. Okay, and project with audio. Open, let's just close it. Don't say. It's say 2 in audio track. Output channel index 2. Source track, tracking index audio. Master clip, input video audio. Why it's 3? We should restart index. Could it lead to the problem? I don't think it could lead with so position is 0. Index is 0 as well. We call it with audio, so it shouldn't be an issue, but it will create proper link here. Let's just create that file and try once again. It would be a project with audio XML. Not working. And if you will look at the file, close project with audio. Project with audio. So now it's input video 1. Do we have input video 1? Yeah, we have input video 1 before. Actually, it should be input video 0. Input video 0 and input video 1, everything. And clip index. I believe clip index start with 1. Yes. So, but again, it will not solve things with audio. So track index, source track, audio track index 1, track index 1, clip index. Let's see what else it says to us. Separate tracks for stereo channels. The audio channels split into 2 separate tracks with is each clip item marked as stereo. However, this is redundant since stereo audio is already defined in file. Track level planning or mixing. So audio levels, okay. ID, and it says track premier, okay, stereo enabled, source track audio track index 1, filter link, login info. You know what? Let's go here once again. Let's import what we have as a good. Import, which is good. So here we have something is proper one. And probably we put just add another one here, save it, and let's just now export it as Final Cut. Let's replace good. And here we go and open with built-in text editor. Is it a way to refresh that? Close. Let's see if it's updated or not. So we have track video. We have one track in video, which is nice. We have first two clip, and then we have clip number 31 with file definition, which is fine. And then we have clip, okay, 32, the same master clip 7, yes. And it just links it file. And it link other, basically audio tracking index. One, two, clip index 4, 2, group index 111, 1, clip index 4 and 2, tracking index. Okay, let's see audio track. It should be more interesting. So we don't need the time code. We have media audio. And we have video. Let's just, so audio, num output channels 2. And we have it. Audio, num output channels 2. Don't save. And let's open our project. Audio is good. Let's go here. Video, audio, channels 2. Format is fine. Output, group, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2. So it's everything we have here is the same. Index 2, index 2, index 2, index 2, index 1, index 1. Okay. So what's next? Output, probably fine. Track. Do we have only one track here? No. We have one track. We have another track. And what is the difference? Here we have our two clip items. Clip item 1, clip item 2. Output channel index 2. Output channel index 1. So basically we have two tracks here, two tracks, track 1 and track 2. Which are very similar. So they have difference between current exploded thread index, correct? And then for the same clip, we create it 2 times. Clip 35. We could skip filters, but we create track index source track audio 1. And for the same, it will be the 37. we create track index 2 audio, and we create all the proper linkage. So probably, yeah, we need 2 tracks here. Let's see. So we create audio track. Can we do like rename? One. No. Rename. One. No. Rename symbol. One. Enter. It doesn't want. So let's just create 2 audio tracks. Audio track and good. And the only difference between those 2 tracks are on the definition level. So you see that current exploded track index. Let's add it. No. Audio track 1 set. And it would be 0. And it would be 2. And it would be 1. Oh. 0, 1. By the way, do we have that in our track? Audio output track. Premier channel type stereo. Yeah, I just verified that it's working fine. Stereo is small. Stereo is big. Yeah, not sure if it's important, but let's do like that. So start time and time to frames audio clip. So what we'll do now, let's just create new file and let's just go to good. And what we'll want, we will look clip number 37. And let's look on the clip number 35. Here, let's just look. Okay, let's just look side by side. So what is the difference? Would be true, everything would be exactly the same file. Source track, it would be 1 and it would be 2. Let's see later. Filter effects, it's something we don't interested in. And in link we will have the same clip video tracking index, clip index, okay, and audio 35. Okay, it would be group index 1, track index 1, clip index group index, and 37 tracking index 2, clip index, grouping index. So the all difference source track tracking index, and then here, correct? So let's be and it would be 2 with audio track 2. Okay, so we put 2 audios on 2 tracks right now, and link 1.1. Let's look at the link. We are link number 37. Let's call it link 1 video. Let's call it link 2 video, and it would be for 1, it would be for 2, just repeating video links, but then we need to create a very similar thing, but we call it like a link 1 audio 1, or left, let's say, call it. It still would be audio clip 1 link. It would be name. Let's provide a different name, audio L index, and it will audio right. Maybe it's vice versa, but who knows? So it would be name audio L index. No. Okay. Right index. R. So audio 1 clip. Oh, come on. Did something wrong, but yeah. So we just create audio 1 links, and it would be link 1 audio clip 1. video track index. Okay, video track index 1 is fine. Here it would be audio. Yes, let's just check audio. Track index would be 1. Audio. Oh, audio. Track index would be 2. Clip index would be like here, because we start with 0, and group index would be 1, probably, yes. AT sub element link text would be 1. So let's rename it, and let's rename it, and let's edit. Okay. Tracking index looks nice. And now we just, yeah, I know that it's not so efficient in code, but I just don't want to be so those links for audio clip number 2 and they would be the same, correct? It's clip 1. So let's see, 35, 37, audio 1, 2, clip index 35, 37, audio 1, 2. Okay, so it's different, but they like reference oneself and video. So the only thing we haven't done, we haven't referenced the same audio from video. We probably could do that, but let's not do it right now. Okay, looks good. Let's execute it. Okay. So what we received is good. Yeah, we don't need it. We don't need it. We have project with audio. Is it possible to reload it? File history. Let's ask very quickly how to reload current file in Visual Studio Code. Please say yes, ChatGPT, very quickly. On editor tab on the file. Format. Open changes. Reopen. Reveal. Split. Reload using command palette. Control Shift P. Revert. Close and reopen. Shortcut to remember Word file. Let's see. Revert file. Let's, maybe like Control Shift Alt R. Oh, Nice. So we don't want to search. And Control Shift Alt R with reload. Okay. Now we have reversed the file. I still don't see that in format document. I see. Rename. Find all references. Share. Command palette. Revert. Okay. So we now current exploded track index 1 stereo R0 input video audio. Yeah, looks like we added something like that. Video. Okay, let's test it. Let's test it. And we project with audio to do. Okay, now we have 2 audio tracks. Good thing that with that you see we connected both files here. And interestingly that because something repeated twice, it has different lines here. So what if we unlink and do unlink? So let's do once again. Let's open that project with audio. So let's see, 217, and we need to remember 217 and so 217 and 3529, 3529. To 3529. So white, blue. White, blue, and they're beautiful. So white, blue, color. So white, blue, color. Ah. So I'm trying to understand how to make things proper. So I want to just compare those two things. So it's what we received, it's what we want. Correct? So let's just export it in Final Cut Pro. Let's call what we want. And let's just go and open here. So we have video track and audio track. Children. Nice, we have some children here. Children as clip, sequence clip, master clip 8 and master clip 9. Okay, let's look at the sequence. Video format. And audio, number of channels too. Also the groups. So looks same. And it's our children clip. Clip 39 with that file 8. Video audio channels, one channel, second channel, and with some linkage. And also we have another clip, the same test, and we have master clip. It's contain video track and audio track. Quite complicated structure now. So let's look in the track. First one, clip 90, full master clip 8, input video 1, file 8, and different clip, file 9, and audio like this without defining multiple channels here. Okay, like in our case as well. Let's look what else we have here. Audio, it would be more interesting. Number of channel, group index 2. Okay, track with input audio 0. And basically what we've created, we have track in index 2, 1, clip index 1, 1, group index 1, 1. And it's master clip 9. It's what we've created manually, which is better. Track index audio 1. Do we have this? Audio 1, yes. Source track. Source track audio 1. Okay, link. Video 1, 2. Link. We don't have video links. Oh. So audio, we have audio. Okay, to audio without video, and clip 45, 9. And we have link to video 1, clip in index 2, audio 1, 2, group 1, and audio 2, 2, group 1. Output channel index 1 on the track, and track 2. We have clip 46 here without video link, and here is 47 audio 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1. And then we have another track. So we have not 2 but 3 tracks here, correct? So we have 3 tracks, and on that track 0, 0, 0. Input video audio 0. Total exploded track count. So we have one file appeared on 3 tracks, but we create only on 2. And for some reason we don't have for that clip 44 video link. Oh, we unlinked it. I remember we unlinked it. We have exploded track total count too. It's something we haven't added, but I don't think it would mean something. Audio and track. Audio track set. Text 2. Oh, 2. So let's create okay, we said set. We don't need to use text. Here we just could use this one. Let's move it here. And we have executed it successfully. Let's look at that file. Project with audio. Let's just reload it just for a case. Master clip. Clip 43 video, track index, clip index. Clip 43. Link clip ref. Link clip ref. Oh, we just name it with 1. But it's actually 0. Index. Clip index. Its index equals 0. Let's think why we set input video 1. Okay, because it's actually 1 for 0. Index. So we have current exploded track index, exploded count. video L0, input video 1, video input video 1, one, 2. You know, for me, everything looks just right, but so let's try it, and I think that it for today, project with audio. Yeah. Even first, so how to say that it should be one track, audio track? What is the big difference between this? Okay, you know what? Let's save as, and we have shot two. It's auto 2. Let's open, how to call it, test shorts. Two. So here, in test shorts to 2, let's remove that one. Save it, and that would be input. To 17, and let's in test shorts. So let's remove it, delete. Okay, and let's remove that video track as well. Okay, and here, let's save it. It would be test shorts export, test shorts. Good. And in test shorts here, we save it. File export, Final Cut, test shorts. But Okay. I have version which is not good, and I have target version. Could you please describe the main differences except naming between two versions? I am looking at the second version as my goal. I like to know more about audio, about difference in audio settings. Let's see if it will be managed to process all of those. Bad version. Each audio element with the media section defines channel count 1 for left and right channels with channel label as left and right. Good version. Audio elements define channel count 2. No audio channel element displaying left and right separately. Key difference is good version. The audio is defined in stereo using channel count 2, while the bad version split audio in 2 mono tracks. Bad version, multiple tracks element with audio. Track index is used to separate left and right audio tracks. Is missing or default to mono. Premier channel type. Good version, single track per logical stereo pair. Premier channel type is explicitly set to stereo. Audio output group channel defines group element with for each audio channel, maps individuals to separate output, defines group element with num channels 1, but logically combines them into stereo groups for output. Logically. The difference. Audio clip items. Each audio clip is treated as independent monoclip. For left and right channel, source track indicate different track index value for each channel. Good version, each audio clip is treated as single stereo clip. One clip item handles both channels set as premier channel type stereo. To unfied stereo track 1. Consistency in channel mapping. Bad version, audio channel explicitly map left-right channels, but this creates unnecessary complexity and risk misalignment. Good version, channel count and ensure proper stereo channel. Summary. You know, so audio channels element. Let's quickly see. Good. Audio channel. There are no such thing. Bad. Audio channel. Audio channel. Source channel to right. Source channel to left. And it's in media, video, audio, and it's element of field file. And in good, of course, we don't have anything like that. Let's find that file here, test mp4. Okay, here is the definition of the file. The video audio channel count 2. Channel count Oh, channel count 2. So first thing probably is not working here. Okay, let's see. I don't think it's somehow becomes effective after we save, but before no. Audio track definition. Multiple track elements with audio track per logical stereo pair. Premiere channel type stereo. Let's have a look. We did a lot of things with that. Stereo track. Yeah, we create several tracks here. I wouldn't say that clip item, but I think it would be logical, but no. And let's see what is test shorts good. So it's one track. Okay. Premiere track type and clip item premiere channel type. Let's see, maybe we did some mistake here. Audio track. Yes, we did. But let's look at good once again. Premiere channel type stereo. And so we still have two tracks. And premiere track type. So it's still two logical tracks. Okay. What else? What else? Audio output. Defines group element. Num channels. 1. Stereo groups for output. Let's find num channels output. It's for audio. Let's look test short good num channels. Its definition for audio. Media, sequence, video, audio, num output channels 2, output group 1, num channel 1, num channel 1, index 1, index 2, index 2, group, two groups 1 and 2, num channel 1, num output channel 2. And what is the shorts bet? Num channel 1, index 1, index 2, num channels 2. I don't know what is the difference here because it looks like exactly the same as list with that thing. Bet version. Each audio clip is treated as independent monoclip, separate clip items for left and right channels. Good version. One in premiere channel type. Source track. On unified stereo track. Track index 1, track index 2. clip item, source track, premier channel type. Let's see bad version. Premier channel type 1, 2, 2 stereo and 1 mono after we save, and in good 1 stereo, 2 stereo. And what it say about source track? Indicate different track index values for each channel. So let's go good link video source track index 1. Let's look for source track index 1. It's clip on 1 track, stereo, audio index, tracking index 1. The only thing that it starts with 2 for some reason. Current exploded track index. Current exploded track index 0. Okay, it starts with 1, 2, and again 1 clip. Two. And bad. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, we have more version of it because that looks good. So we have now stereo 1, 0, 1 for audio tracks, and here we have audio 1, audio R, clip item, master clip. Okay, premier channel stereo, premier channel type, audio clip. Let's look. Premier channel type clip, stereo, premier channel type stereo, and it will be audio 1 and audio 1 and audio 2. Audio clip name, name in good, clip item name test. It looks like it doesn't matter what would be the actual name. ID matters, but it could be everywhere where we have name. We just could say name, and here as well we could have the track is master clip item name. We just could say name. It would be everywhere input video. Let's generate. And maybe we need to build one more example very from scratch. It's shorts. So let's look at shorts 2, shorts 2. Yeah, let's import here. Let's import project with audio. And let's open. Oh, so let's close TechShorts 2.2. It's something we imported right now. Okay, we could mark it as dialog. And we have one extra clip. So it looks like we solved that issue. Maybe that marking as like that number of Premiere track type, Premiere channel type, and it has different, in convention. It's all important. And with our position duration +1, we could say duration, and we could say duration. Let's import that file, and let's try to import once again project with audio. Open that sync. So you see we are on each frame rate, and now it's very smooth. Let's verify that we actually have in our second video. It's our second. Yeah, it's our second short video, which stick together really well. Let's just verify it. So title start 236 and start 236. Okay, yeah, it sometimes happen. Like in that case, so 45, 23, 45, start time 45, 1, 23. Really? Oh, 0, 45, 1, 45. Okay. We could try really quick to process here, like not with that, but you know what? What if we say here markdown and say working? Okay. Oh, we could outline this time. Let's say in progress. So yeah, looks like we need for outlining to work. We need markdown cells like that, but one cell's hidden. Okay. And it would be our cell output, not cell output, but model JSON output. So with that we could slightly define something, what we want to hide, what we want to show. Expand, fold. Okay. And what we want to do, we want to replace, just to see how it will work nicely with first short idea. It would be 0. And let's go here and just import project with audio. And let's verify it. Yeah, it's now very smooth. Okay. At least somehow we resolved issues with audio tracks. It took us a long time. So tomorrow we probably could start looking into adding some other content like SRT and other things, and try to calculate maybe some parameters of video file from what we'll take from FFmpeg, for example. So that is the plan, and that is the plan. And in main camera, probably we could transition back. So today was a super long stream. I don't remember having such long streams before, like more than 2.5 hours. So yeah, but we received some working code which create Adobe Premiere Pro project with our shorts, clips. Yeah, with our main media file from which we create shorts, which are cut properly based on some our time codes, and which imported with proper audio track. It's all connected. Audio and video, yeah, they connected, they linked, so it's easy to operate them if you want. It's audio channels. It took some time for us. ChatGPT, maybe we didn't provide it super proper prompt, but it missed few things and didn't help us create it initially. And we need to go and watch each file separately and identify issues, compare good with bad configurations. But at the end, we able to modify a few minor things, minor attributes, and looks like it started working. Because before, for some reason, yeah, because we didn't specify attributes perfectly fine, instead of creating logical one track audio track with two logical tracks for channels, it's some way or another create us more than one track audio track, multiple tracks with different configuration of mono, stereo, and it didn't sound right. Now it looks like working fine, so we could look into if it will be too overcomplicated to define transcripts, maybe not transcripts but like captions. So we will see if it's even possible. If not, maybe we need to look into that panel and custom language for Adobe Premiere Pro. But I like idea if it would be possible with just projects JSON creation, not JSON XML from Final Cut Pro. I have doubts. I have big doubts. But if we can do that, of course, it would be very cool. It would be very nice. If we can't, yeah, it would be pity, but even without audio, like string captions, we could transcribe the text in Adobe Premiere Pro and put some captions which would be like just captions, you know. It shouldn't be too complex. Yes. So, and we'll see how complex it is to add other stuff on the things, like maybe some audio effects or something, or some titles. We will look into that starting tomorrow, or maybe if we will decide to switch our gears to something else, then maybe later. But yeah, I really want to complete that thing, that part. So with that, we could use our helper YouTube AI helper also not to only create beautiful descriptions, titles, video chapters and so on for YouTube, but also create something more valuable like project for Adobe Premiere Pro, which could be used to create shorts video from our streams. Okay, I think that's it. We spent a lot of time today. I wish you, as usual, good mood, kind heart, calm mind. Yes, and see you whenever you are ready. I'll try to stream tomorrow after 11 p.m. Normally I start at 11 p.m. sometimes maybe 5, 10, 15 minutes later. In some cases I could start maybe an hour later. So I try to update my schedule up to date. So if you come to my channel and want to see at 11 p.m. and see if it starts in 15 minutes, just make some tea and wait, or drop me some message in chat or under the stream. I would appreciate it as well. Okay, good luck, Godspeed, see you, goodbye.